Speed limit cameras.
Well,
80
hi there.
kilometers per hour.
Well, hi there. Today I have embarked on a journey which I call the Dragon Ball Tour. So there are 7 Dragon Balls, as you all know, scattered around the Korean mountains in this case. My journey will take 11 in 10 days, which I will hike back to back, of course. 11 in 10 days, that makes sense. And hopefully find all the 7 Dragon Balls in these mountains. And then make my wish. So today I start out from Seoul, driving this rental car to Chiaksan mountain. So San actually means mountain, so it's either Chiak mountain or Chiaksan, not Chiaksan mountain, because that would mean Chiak mountain. So
Speed limit cameras. 80 kilometers per hour.
I'm in traffic!
In 2 kilometers.
Drive 80 kilometers
Keep
per hour.
right at the intersection.
Oh, I have to get out here.
In
Okay,
2
so
kilometers.
anyway,
crossroads for
that
multiple
is how we
routes.
will start this journey. And I have started quite late. It's already almost 12. And the hike is set to take about 6 hours. Sunset will be at 5:30ish. I will arrive at maybe 2 p.m. So that is a challenge to do the 6-hour hike in about 4. And I have an infected toe. So let's see how that goes. I catch y'all later. So as y'all might have noticed, I do not have a beard. I shaved it off, so let's see how it goes in 10 days, because I will not shave it again. And then let's see if I end up like a caveman or still a baby boy. Bye. Got all of this traffic action going, and I have to take my exit soon. I don't like it, because I'm behind schedule and this is not helping. Final ascent. Getting there. Yeah. Some rocks. Yeah. Rock action. More rocks. Rock. Bop. Bop. Dip. Oh, what do we have here? Bingo! And pan out. And money shot. Pew. Money shot. Let me just. Hey. People might say it's lonely at the top. In my case, this is true. Where's everybody? Hello? 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 Nobody here. Anyway, waiting for the sunset. I think it's. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's nice. I appreciate it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. I think so. Yeah. This is nice. Let's wait for sunset. Alright, so I want to share this golden hour view with y'all. Oh, don't go. Here you are. Beautiful. 이쁘다. 이쁘지. Time to drone. and not complete without me, of course. Ow! Ah! Gotta get off this mountain. Getting darker. Yep, it's dark. Yeah, I think I'm almost there. Maybe. A lot of rocks. And I'm done. So I didn't make it quite out during the daytime, or whatever. I'm tired, okay? We continuing our tour.
In 1 kilometer,
You're in a boxed speed camera zone.
80 kilometers per hour.
I should slow down. So anyway, as I was saying before I was interrupted, we are continuing our road trip. I finished Chiaksan, which was the #1 mountain of the list. I'm now headed
In
to
500 meters,
You're in a boxed speed camera zone.
80 kilometers per hour.
So anyway, like I was saying, I'm now heading to my hotel where I will spend 2 nights with
You're in a
tomorrow.
boxed speed camera zone.
80 kilometers per hour.
Tomorrow on the schedule I have. Oh, did I? That was a bit too fast. Ah! So anyway, tomorrow I'm headed to Chiaksan. Was it Chiaksan tomorrow? I think Chiaksan and Songnisan. So anyway, I will spend 2 nights in that hotel and then hike those 2 mountains before continuing. Oh, actually, I also have Agobon from Demisan. Yes, Demisan mountain. So that's 3 hikes in 2 days. Okay, bye bye. So I will spend my first 2 nights in the Swanbo Hotel. And I am nearly there, which is right in between those 2 mountains that I'm gonna hike, the 3 mountains, the Chiaksan, Agobon, and Songnisan. So that is Swanbo Hotel. Swanbo mente, besame. This looks pretty nice. This is Swanbo, ladies and gentlemen. And you all of non-binary things. Alright, so we got the map, we got the schedule, and we got the first ball that we found in Mount Chiak. Tomorrow's schedule is number 2, which is Agobon, and number 3, which is Mount Worak or Chiaksan. Let's see if we can find one of these other balls. We will find out. I will keep you all updated on the journey.